If you want to disassemble your screen out, you need to remove the shell from of the laptop. And here are some tips to remove the laptop. First, all the laptop's shells for the LCD. You need to disassemble it from its inner face. You need to you need to pull the frame from this inner face. You need to prove it out. And also here some lab have some screw in this corner. My laptop have 2 screws. You need to disassemble it. Then once you remove this shell out, you can see here's the screen, and we have the screw here, 2 screws at its left, and its right, 2 screws. And then once you remove the 4 screws, this screen can move out.